Hi guys, welcome to another Source Sounds video. I've got a 2009 Mercedes with an audio upgrade on. I'll show it you now. Okay, so we're now inside this Mercedes SLK 200. What we've done is a Kenwood, sorry there's a bit of bad reflection on there. So it's a Kenwood screen upgrade. This works with the steering wheel controls, so this actually will turn up and turn down off the existing steering wheel controls, as you can see there, which is really cool. Obviously we'll tune up and down as well on the steering wheel controls. With these, obviously doing the apologies for this reflection, it's pretty poor filming. There we go. So as you can see how well that fits in there, fits lovely, finished nice. The customer had a different system in this vehicle before and the system was really quite badly fitted. What we've done is this Kenwood DMX6523DABS, as well as DAB aerial there, and then there's also the microphone up there. So this system works really well. It's got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto wirelessly, Bluetooth calls, Bluetooth streaming. You could add a reverse camera at a later date if you wanted so, but it's really a nice system. So for further information on upgrading the system in your Mercedes, give the specialists at Source a call on 0114 257 1550. Thank you for watching.